Why it's important to have your car insured. Whilst it is not a legal requirement in every country in the world, driving around in a car that does not have comprehensive insurance can bring a whole heap of trouble for the driver. So why is it so important to have your car insured, you may ask? It is a simple question that needs to be addressed, as many drivers would rather save their money than pay it out on insurance premiums. But why do you need car insurance? Anyone who knowingly drives an uninsured vehicle either has an exceptionally good legal team on standby and pots of money, or is just ignorant to the massive risk they take by driving on public roads with such a vehicle. If you are one of the large majority of drivers who are not insured, just remember that even if you are the most cautious of drivers, you are exposing yourself to massive financial risk by driving an uninsured vehicle. Here are a few good reasons to have your car insured. Not only do you risk having your car stolen or smashed into and not getting any financial compensation, but you are also exposed to third-party claims, which means you could easily be held liable for repairs to a third party's vehicle. This means that you would not only have to pay for someone else's vehicle to be repaired, but you would be left with having to pay for your own vehicle to be repaired as well. If you do not have the finances, you could face legal action over the third party's vehicle, as well as being left without having your own wheels. So although it's a grudge expense, it is obvious that you really cannot afford to drive around in an uninsured vehicle. It is possible to get comprehensive insurance cover for your car based on the amount you drive. What this means is that if you do not do as much mileage as a traveling salesman, for example, you would be entitled to pay a lower premium than such a driver. It makes sense that your premium is linked to the amount you drive, but unfortunately most insurance companies base their premiums on your personal profile and not on how much you drive. Conclusion on having car insurance for your vehicle. To conclude, it has to be said that while paying a monthly car insurance premium can be equated to a grudge expense, it is simply good planning, because if you do not have it when you need it most, you could be in for a huge expense as well as legal action. So there is simply no excuse for not having your vehicle insured, especially when there are cheap car insurance options available. P.S. Find out about getting pay-as-you-vehicle cover and more about cheap car insurance options here. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.